guys, come with me so I can show you this house located in Humble, Texas. It is 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, 1 half bathroom. Alright, come on down. Check out this amazing house in Humble, Texas. So first right now, as soon as you come in, we have our first bathroom right here with a sink. And here is the spacious living room. And you have a good view of the backyard. You come on over here. And this is the kitchen. It has a local electric stove and a microwave. And there is a very nice cabinet. You can store all your groceries and stuff like that. That's the backyard, which is really nice in my opinion. Come on over here. Get a good view of the backyard. There's a gate over here. Alright, now I'm going to show you guys the master bedroom and the master bathroom, and it has a walk-in closet. So this is the master bedroom. It is on the first floor. This is a 2-story house. You can see 3 big windows with clear covers and your blinds. And then over here is the master bathroom. The bathroom right here. 2 individual sinks with a bathtub and a glass shower. And this is the walk-in closet. Walk-in closet with both individuals. We're going to go check the upstairs. Come on down, let's go upstairs. We're upstairs, we're going to show you the other bathroom over here. Like an individual sink, a bathtub, and a bathroom. And then it has a nice view from the outside on the 2nd story where you can see all the views from here. Now let's look at the 2nd bedroom. It's a total 4. This is the 2nd bedroom right here. A small little closet and a good view of the backyard. So you can see there's a big antenna up there. It's kind of strange. And then you can see all the backyard. So it's a decent view. At least you don't have any neighbors from the other side of the fence. So that's probably one good feature of this house, I would say. Now, let's go look at the other 2 bedrooms. This bedroom is about the same size as the other bedroom, and it's just the opposite side of the view. So we're looking at the left side of the view, now we're looking at the right side of the view of the backyard. So this is the whole bedroom, the backyard. This closet is a little bit bigger than the closet on the left side. And make sure you get the good view from the back. Very unique, you don't have neighbors in the back. Now the last bedroom, which is the 4th bedroom, is this one. I would say this is about the same size. Just more to the right view of the backyard, because they're all on the vertical line in the back. And then the walk-in closet. Thank you guys for watching this video of the open house here in Humble, Texas. It is 4 bedrooms, 2 full bath, 1 half bath, located in Humble, Texas. This house is eligible for 0 down USDA loan. So if you have any questions, you can contact me, or you could send me a message, or you could contact my sister, and she could also send you a message. We'll put all the information in the link below. All right, thank you.